Maxim 21. Whatever takes place quickly is not permanent. I have heard that Eastern loam is made in 40 days into a porcelain cup. 100 are daily made in Baghdad. Hence, thou seest also their pride is vile. A little fowl issues from the egg and seeks food, whilst man's progeny has no knowledge, sense, or discernment. Nevertheless, the former attains nothing when grown up, whilst the latter surpasses all beings in dignity and excellence. Glass is everywhere, and therefore of no account, but a ruby difficult to get, and therefore precious. And what takes you some time may be something you expect more. Now, you don't have to count on beads or any such thing like that. What happens is that you're, you get used to counting out praises. You get used to whatever, but it's like, it's just difficult and new and stuff. If you do the prayer right, and you do the prayer right for months, then things happen with these orisons, with these ritual prayers, with the other that don't happen otherwise. You take them out of the prayer and all this stuff. If you're just obsessed with the rituals, or you do things like a Protestant and just show up and flop yourself through it, what do you expect any of this stuff to do for you other than hopefully fulfill the requirements, right? Because you've been in congregation, so that might fulfill the requirements, but you want to be the person where your prayer is going to be sufficient on your own, where you don't have to do extra prayers just to break even.